Good day, traders. This is Master FX Shifu from the Universal Forex Dojo. Now, before we continue, let's take a quick look at this unique prop firm. We all know that trading with minimal capital can be a pain, especially when you want to take advantage of commodities or indices with those massive movements. So that's why we've partnered with Forex Prop Firm. So they fund up to $2 million with a profit split of up to 90%. That really caught our attention. So all you need to do is complete a challenge and verification stage and get started. Now the beauty with these guys is the objectives are actually achievable. So with 4 different capital options to choose from, there is also room for growth. So get on board, check out their dashboard and trading tools offered, and quickly accelerate your trading career. Now, another thing that caught our eye is an instant funding model that is available. So you basically skip 2 sections, then immediately get funded. This means you start making some gains from the get-go. So check them out on the link on the description below and read up on them. Good day, traders. Hoping that everybody's doing well. Let's take a look at what the market has in store for us today. So we've got UCAD here, which has been running this setup. We've been waiting for it to trigger so we can get a nice entry to the upside. And until that happens, we'll just keep waiting for it. But then again, we also have something forming here in the higher time frame, which we can definitely look at moving forward. And we could find a decent sell option in this region over here. And it looks like it already gave us a nice OB to work with. And we can just refine it a bit further. There we go. Go back into the hourly. And we will have something along these lines on UCAD. I'll be sharing 3 setups with you guys, and then we will take it from there. Oh, 4 setups, sorry about that. And of course, if you did watch our webinar, you'd find how to access our premium signals for free, or the 1-month premium signals for free. This says how this one would work out. And then moving forward, I did do this analysis earlier, and we did take into account that this setup has not triggered yet. It will, and when it does, just be ready for it and you'll move up from there. And of course, we just did the second one on it now. And then we still have this Euro USD setup. It did play out well for us yesterday. It only hit 1.38R, so it was a break-even trade if you're using the Wushu toolbox. And if you are managing your own trades, then you should have taken some partials at the 1R. Should have made some money out of it. And from today, we do see 2 options happening. Buy options, I'm still very bearish on Euro USD, but we do have these 2 potential options here. Where the 10202 zone is and the 10938.5. We'll see how these ones play out and take it from there. Let's take a look at our flagship service, the Dojo Bootcamp. Now, this is a straight to the point practical teaching program that focuses only on what works, which constantly evolves and adapts to the nature of the global financial markets. Now, first of all, we firmly believe a trade should end one of 4 ways: small loss, break even, small win, or a big win. Let me repeat that. Small loss, break even, small win, big win. And that's the reason we built this program and constantly update it. Now in the bootcamp, we jump right into the way we trade and take advantage of the massive opportunities in the market. Our primary role is to get you to a point where you see the market from a completely different perspective and actually trade using these unique concepts as quickly and efficiently as possible. We show you a process-driven approach that will ensure you spend less time on the charts and more time being profitable. Let's take a look at what the bootcamp entails. We have normal housekeeping, where you see how we approach our trade ideas on a daily basis. We've got the general chat, where the students can share their thoughts and ideas. We've got the YouTube video analysis, where we share how we find our trade setups, which we post on our advanced Forex signals. We then have a breakdown of our trade management tool, which is a fantastic toolkit for the pro trader. We then have our bootcamp, which is where we've got our original one we started, which is very, very important and effective and the basis of all our trading. And as we keep adapting and finding new ways to improve, we add to the bootcamp. And you must understand that this is a continuous learning journey, and you must never underestimate that. And lastly, we've got the prop firm massacre, and this is where we'll be showcasing all the prop firms we pass and get on the books. Now, all our bootcamp students are welcome to join this journey and take advantage. Now, visit our website and get on board. Doesn't look like this one's so open. Let me just try it again. Okay, and then moving forward, we do have US 13. I know there's one of the pairs that most people love. They love taking advantage of these. And we do have our setup that we did yesterday. It triggered at the zone and basically hit 3R, give or take. I'm not sure who caught this one. If you did, that's beautiful. If you didn't, there is still another opportunity right now to go in again and actually tank from there. So we'll have the first trade, and then the second trade is basically from, let me just move this one over here, and of course have another sell option from today, which you can take. This one we did lose, by the way, guys. Let me just mark that and just clear up here a bit. Perfect. So we do have a setup that looks like this. So what you will do is basically either wait for price to go a bit further up halfway, and then of course have a setup that looks like that. And we'll see how that plays out. That's how the US 30 looks. And then the last pair that we are going to look at is the US 100. Now, US 100 gave us a beautiful setup yesterday, similar as the US 13, where price got into our zone, tanked, hitting 5R, and then after hitting 5R, went back right into the zone again. I know people missed this one, which is pretty good, but I'm pretty sure it is going to come back and tank even further. But for now, we'll just have to stay away from it and watch how it plays out. And I think that's about it for the day, guys. The rest of the pairs I will be sharing on the premium signals. So if you're not on the signals, then do check out our webinar. And after checking the webinar, you'll see how to get access in there for 1 month. Happy trading, guys. Cheers.